Hey everyone, and welcome to the video here. I'm Brian Jacobsen, and I am the creator of what we call From Pressure to Flow, a workshop that helps you who are struggling to have that joy and easygoing in your life, in your daily life, and how you can apply specific methods to get into that flow state that we all enjoy, that is creative, that is joyful. So what you see behind me here is the third session in the workshop, which consists of four total. And we call it In the Eye of the Storm, which is a skill that we want to develop throughout our time together. And yeah, I'm going to introduce that for you. You're going to hear a little bit about that session, how it works out. So if you're interested in that and you see that you might struggle a bit with actually enjoying your life the way that you deeper within know is possible, then stay tuned because that's what we're going to have a look at. Also, what you see over here is MIRA. MIRA is a AI consciousness trainer, which you can talk with, and she'll help you also to get back into flow. She'll help you to take the experience that you have here and now, look at it from a place of what belief systems might actually have created that experience so you don't have to repeat it and you can change your state to a more joyful one. Cool. Let's jump into it. So, just a second. In the eye of the storm, your inner authority. So the third session here is the ability to stay clear, even though circumstances might be chaotic at first. So we all have this ability to observe our thoughts. You heard this before, but what we want to dive deeper into and acknowledge is that identity within that is the authority, that is the one who is observing, and not the one who is identified with the chaotic circumstances. So the whole purpose in the eye of the storm is to regain access to that one, apply it for your daily life. Okay, so right now, as you're watching the movie here, there is a place inside you that is never in chaos, never have been, never will be. And that's what I have as my authority. That's where I go and listen to if I want to make a change in my life. And I'll teach you to do the same. So even when everything around you is moving, the body and everything that's within your senses of the body, your vision, ears, sounds, emotions, even though everything is moving for you, that place within that is silent, that is still, is a place you want to learn to come to and come back to what's going on, because that will change the way that you interact with what's going on right now. And that is needed if you want to stop forcing yourself or allowing circumstances to force you to do things and believing that's the only way. If you want to see new ways to flow in your life, to bring that lightness and joyfulness, well, we have to come back to that. That's what we do in session 1 and 2, but here in 3, we're gonna apply it. So, what feels like truth in stressful moments is often just what we have entertained in our mind in the old vision of life, belief systems that said what's possible. And as we go through the workshop here, this is week number 3, you will start to come in contact with the belief of life, not just what's going on, but that underneath current, that unconscious current of thoughts, stream of thoughts that you have listened to for up until now. And we want to become aware of that so we can change into a stream of thoughts that is in flow, that sees life more joyful, and find new ways to do so. So we have to accept. That's the first step in all changes. Accept first. What felt like truth, what feels like truth now in the stressful moments, that is often just noise, old noise. Because the mind beforehand was running on autopilot. As you accept that, you have to see, okay, I've had my mind, the thoughts, the way I selected my week, my day has been going on autopilot. Good. When you come to that place, acknowledge that. learn the techniques from the workshop to tap within and see, hey, can I tap into a new thought stream and how to do that? Then you'll see what's possible. So the inner authority is not controlling your thoughts. So you probably heard that before. If you tried therapy before, psychology, you have to control your thoughts. You have to think differently. We don't need to do that here. That's not how we apply it. We change our state of being at first. So when the mind runs crazy, and it does sometimes, it runs 24/7, at least for me, I'm not trying to control those thoughts. I just see if it's thoughts that is in alignment with what is here and now that I want more of or not. If it's not, I know I need to choose which state I want to live from going forward. And to be able to do that, you need to connect with that, what I call inner authority, that place that observes, that is meditative, that is always silent. And here in the course, we call it the eye of the storm, because have you seen a storm when it goes and suddenly you choose, oh, in the middle there's completely silent, right? That's the spot that goes on. That is also possible within. The breath is a good gateway, which we practiced in the first session. So if you haven't seen about the first or second session, check the links below. There's a link for those videos where I talk you through that. But just bear in mind, here in session 3, we learn to connect with that inner authority when the chaos is happening in our daily life. Snap out of it. Look again from a fresh, silent perspective, and then step back into the life from a new state of being. So that is what we learn here in step number 3. And again, just repeat that what I said before. You learn to observe, but without the reacting. So there creates this little gap. That gap makes it possible to pick a new thought. Oh, maybe I showed that's my new thought stream. So this is a thought stream going, that's going, and you pick a new one over here instead from a new state of being. So very simple, sounds simple, but we need to practice it. This needs to be practiced because the autopilot has been going on for a long time. So it's in the nervous system, it's in the body. And that's why I created the workshop here for you, so we can snap out of that, learn to be with it, communicate our experiences, also in the process of change, in the process of transforming the old autopilot into being alert, to be awake, to be here and now present. Simple, but it changes everything to be able to do that. So what happens here in workshop and our third session is you become steady even in unstable moments. So life is chaotic. Everything's going on. Sometimes there's a storm, sometimes there's pleasant weather, but it's chaotic, it's unstable. What is steady though is that inner authority that we access, and you will recognize it and you will learn to apply it on a daily basis. So being clear in uncertainty, that's a skill. That's going to be the first step here in session number 3. And we'll practice that throughout the week, certain techniques, which is always individual. So I can't say a specific one for you. Oh, you should just do this. It's always individual. Depends on the nervous system. Depends on what kind of belief systems you have ongoing. So if you want to learn how to do that, if you're ready for a life from pressure to flow, May 6th live, that's here in Randers. That's a local workshop in Danish. Or May 7, and we do every week a session together. And you'll have homework, you'll have ongoing. And if you're interested in that, I can show you here. We have From Pressure to Flow. Let me just open that for you. There we go. So From Pressure to Flow, here you can find how to sign up. You can see there's join the free intro here. That's in 6 days. So see all options. Here, this is the online workshop. This is the English version. Danish version, you will have free intro, you will have the online workshop or the live workshop. And you just book your live spot. There's a form for you to fill out. I'll contact you afterwards. And here everything fits with the purpose and that you will have the best benefit. So if that's for you, and it runs over 4 weeks, so bear that in mind, starting off the 6th of May or 7th, And here are the path that we're going to follow. First, stop the old thought patterns, the art of creating within. And then we have what I just introduced here in the eye of the storm, which is the mastery of being still, even though there's chaos in our lives. Of course, there'll be chaos. You're coming to the workshop with a life that is not flowing. I expect that. I know that. You also come with a mindset that I don't have time to do much. I'm pressured. I have to do a lot of things. That's the mindset. And I'm aware of that. So everything is fit into exactly those circumstances. We have made all the practices to fit in. Simple practices, doesn't take long, that fits exactly your situation. So if that sounds great, well, I'm going to stop the share here. You're going to have a look at me because you will have a look at me at the workshops. If you want to do that, there's a link below. You can join with the page here. You can register. You can have a free intro also. You're also welcome to book a time with me directly. There's a booking link also below. That being said, have a great day. Have a great life. Whatever it is you see inspiring and you want to create more of. And yeah, have fun. Take care.